Hello, today we are going to solve the question number 31 from ISS 2019 paper 2. In this question we are given that x1, x2, x3 xn be IID normal mu comma sigma square and mu hat and sigma square hat are the MLE of a mu and sigma respectively. Now we have to consider the following statements. The first statement says that mu hat is an unbiased estimator of mu, and the second statement says that sigma hat square is an unbiased estimator of sigma square. Now we have to select the correct option among these given options. We know that if we draw a random sample from a normal distribution with parameter mu and sigma, then the MLE of mu is x bar and the MLE of sigma square, the MLE of sigma square is equals to 1 by n sum over xi minus x bar whole square. Okay. Now mu hat, which is x bar, is an unbiased estimator of mu. Let's check. Expectation of x bar is equals to nothing but 1 by n sum over expectation of xi. Now expectation of xi in this case is mu. Therefore we get n mu divided by n, which results in mu. Therefore we can say that x bar is an unbiased estimator of mu. Therefore the statement 1 is a correct statement. Now let's check the second statement. Sigma hat square, which is 1 by n sum over xi minus x bar whole square. Now we have to check expectation of sigma hat square whether it is sigma square or not. Now it results in 1 by n sum over expectation of xi minus x bar whole square. Or we can write 1 by n sum over expectation of xi square minus expectation of x bar square. Now variance of xi is equals to sigma square in this case, as xi's are normally distributed with mean mu and variance sigma square. Therefore expectation of xi square will be sigma square plus mu square. Okay. We also know that variance of x bar is sigma square divided by n. Therefore we can write expectation of x bar square is equals to sigma square divided by n plus mu square. Now from the equation 1, if we put these values in that equation, we get expectation of sigma hat square is equals to 1 by n multiplied by n sigma square plus mu square, and in here we get sigma square by n minus mu square. Okay. Here n cancels out, we get sigma square minus sigma square by n. If we take sigma square as common, we get n minus 1 divided by n. So we can say that sigma hat square is not the unbiased estimator of sigma square. So statement 2 is a wrong statement. So our correct option must be the option A, which is 1 only. And basically in the statement 2, the sigma hat square is not an unbiased estimator of sigma square, but 1 by n minus 1 sum over xi minus x bar square is the unbiased estimator of sigma square. Okay. So that's all for today. Thank you very much.